Hello, Biggie D man. This is Ice Michael Baker at YouTube.com coming at you. See what's up with you. How's your family, man? How's your mom? And how's your wife? How's the kids? And how your health doing, Biggie D man? I just coming to you to tell you thank you for your videos and and thank you for your videos. I thank you for your opinions. I thank you for your nice, friendly opinion. Thank you very much. And I appreciate that, Biggie D, man. And like I said, man, nobody cannot beat you on YouTube.com, Biggie D, man, because that's good. And that's good. That means, like, hey, I like that. I like a competition like that. And like I said, man, I'm laughing. I'm laughing at your videos. I'm laughing so hard, man, at your videos. You cracking me up. You're making me cry. Every time I crack up, I had to cry, man. I mean, that's how good you is, Biggie D, man. And I like that. I like a challenge. I like something to, keep me motivated. And that's you, Biggie D, man. And I appreciate that, man. And like I said, it's an honor. It's a pleasure to follow you on YouTube.com. And like I said, you're the best cool dude on YouTube. And that's good because you blowing me away. You are the man of YouTube.com. Yes, you is, Biggie D man. Because I like all your opinions. I like all your comedies. And you take your comedies real serious. And I get kicks out of it. That means they good. I mean, you want to find a better friend on YouTube.com, you check out Biggie D Man's videos. He would crack you up, he would make you cry, and his opinions will blow you off the roof of your house. And that's how good Biggie D Man is. I mean, like, true that, true that. And that's an amen. And I'm telling you, I mean, like, hey, you want to look at Biggie D Man videos? He's on fire. Biggie D man, you on fire. You are blowing up used to set. You is. And nobody cannot replace you on YouTube.com, Biggie D man. Cause man, you one of the kind, you shot my mind, man. You really do, man. You one of the kind, you shot my mind. I mean, this to the bottom of my heart, man. You one of the kind. And I mean, like, I can't find nobody else out there on YouTube.com can match your videos up to anybody else's videos. Cause you the man on your own videos. Biggie D man. And that's good. To me it's good. And don't worry about those play haters out there. Ignore them. Cause I get them on my set too. I get them on my videos too, those play haters. They always talking about this, talk about that. Hey, I just ignore them, man, and delete them out of my account, you know, and I keep moving on. But after that, man, you just number one in my book, Biggie D, man. You really is. You're very, very inspiring me, man. You really do, man. I mean, you just blowing me away, man. I mean, like, hey, woo wee. I mean, you from the roof to the rooftop to the bottom of the floor. You had me cracking up, man. I mean, like, I can't get, you can't get no better than that. You can't get no better than that, man. I mean, like, hey, I give you I give you an A. That means like you A-OK in my books, Biggie D, man. You A-OK in my books. That means like, hey, keep up the good work, man. Don't stop, don't stop, cause I don't care. A sick person to an elder person, to a handicapped person, and to a person who had a bad day, guess what, Biggie D, man? You can bright their day up, man. You really can. You can bright their day up. Because you know why? God gave you talent. God gave you talent to brighten up people's life, turn them around. And that's what you're doing to me. And that's what you're doing out there at YouTube.com. Yes, you is Biggie D, man. Man, I'm telling you. I mean, like, man, I mean, you're one of the kind. You really is. You're one of the kind, and I'm crying. I'm crying, because you really, touch my heart. You really is. You touch my heart, and and I'm very, very, blown away about your videos, all your videos. I mean, like, I love your videos, man, and I love you more than anybody out there on YouTube.com. I do, and I mean, like, I'm taking this very serious, and you making me so happy. These are happy tears. These are not sad tears. These are happy tears, man. Happy. I mean, like, really happy tears, man. I mean, like, really. You are making me too happy to, stop looking at your videos. But I'm not gonna stop looking at your videos because you keep my day going every day. You light my day up every day. I look at your videos, and that's the God truth. You really do. And God gave you good talent. I'm telling you, keep up the good work. God gonna bless you for that. I'm telling you. I mean, like, whatever you looking at this video, I hope you take this serious. And I'm taking this serious. To the bottom of my heart, you a cool dude in my book. You a cool dude in my heart. You really is, Biggie D, man. And nobody cannot replace you on YouTube.com. Nobody can't. And that's very serious. Serious is a heart attack. It is. It's very serious. And I take this very serious. Biggie D, man. And that means that's good. You good in my book. And I wish I can find out where you live at. I can come out there and visit your family, visit your mother, visit your wife and your kids. I wish I can go out there and find out where you live at. That would brighten my whole day. That would brighten my whole day, my whole life. It really will. I mean, like, man, you got true talent, man. God gave you good talent. Telling you, man, keep up the good work, man. Keep it up. I mean, like, hey, nobody, not nobody can compare of you or your talent, Biggie D, man, because you are one of the kind of Biggie D, man. You are. Just one Biggie D, man, on YouTube.com, but guess what? Biggie D, man, I hope he hears. But guess what, pal? I'm still looking at your videos and I'm still laughing at your videos. Cause hey, I take it serious. I mean, like, hey, I wish I can find out where you live at. I would give you the biggest hug, a handshake, a gold medal around your neck to tell you thank you to be my friend, to be a bosom friend of a friend, a Christian friend of a friend who need a friend, and that's you, Biggie D, man. You the bestest friend I ever had in my whole life. And you changed my life on YouTube.com. You really do. And I appreciate that, man. To the bottom of my heart, to the top of my head, to the spirit I got in me. And guess what? That's all for you, buddy boy. I dedicate this video just for you and your family. Have a good blessing day. This is Ice Michael Baker at YouTube.com telling you have a good blessed day and a blessed night. Bye-bye. And here's something out you. Don't forget to mention my name now. Bye-bye.